I'm Mrs. Owens.
I'm Miss Marino, and this is equations with variables on both sides
With the distributive property.
in 3.5 minutes.
Our equation is 7 times the quantity x plus 4 minus x equals 2x minus 4.
Whoa, let's break that down a little. We're always looking to get x by itself.
And to do that, we're trying to get back to a two-step equation.
But we can see in this equation that we've got variables on both sides.
That's a code verbs.
But before we get to code Bob, we've got parentheses to take care of.
Let's go step by step. Parentheses first.
We've got a 7 right outside our parentheses, so we distribute that across everything inside the parentheses.
7 times x gives us 7x, and 7 times 4 gives us positive 28.
And then 7 times negative x.
Nope. Remember, only distribute to what's inside the parentheses. This negative x is left out.
Now we have 7x plus 28 minus x. Let's combine like terms here.
7x minus 1x equals 6x. So we end up with 6x plus 28 equals 2x minus 4.
Code Bobs, we made it!
Remember, code verbs means get our variables together. Letters left, numbers right.
To move this positive 2x, we subtract 2x from both sides.
6x minus 2x equals 4x, and we bring down the positive 28. Then we bring down the equal sign.
This 2x is canceled out, and we bring down the negative 4. Be sure to keep this sign here.
Now we're back to a two-step equation. Easy.
First, we deal with the lonely number, the constant.
To get rid of a positive 28, we subtract 28 from both sides.
Negative 4 minus 28. Remember, same sign, sum. Negative 4 minus 28 is negative 32.
Now we have 4x equals negative 32. Time to clear the coefficient.
We divide 4x by 4 and get x.
And we divide negative 32 by 4 and get negative 8. Remember, a negative divided by a positive gives us a negative.
So, x equals negative 8. Time for a check.
X is negative 8, so be sure to keep that sign attached to the 8.
We have 7 times the sum of negative 8 and 4. Minus negative 8 is equal to 2 times negative 8 minus 4.
Let's look at the left side first. Remember PEMDAS, we need to take care of our parentheses first.
Inside the parentheses is negative 8 plus 4. Different sign, difference. So this is negative 4.
Next, we go to multiplication. 7 times negative 4 equals negative 28.
Then negative 28 minus negative 8. Subtracting a negative means we're adding 8.
Negative 28 plus 8 equals negative 20.
Great, now let's look at the other side. First is multiplication. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16.
And negative 16 minus 4 is negative 20.
That checks out.
So when you see a complicated equation, just break it down.
You want to get x alone, but first you'll need a two-step equation.
And before that, you'll have to deal with code verbs.
And before anything, you need to take care of these parentheses.
Remember, distribute the parentheses first.
Then, code Bobs. Letters left, numbers right.
Then it's back to a two-step equation. First, we deal with the lonely number, the constant. Be sure to keep both sides in balance.
Second, deal with the coefficient to get x by itself and keep both sides in balance.
And that's equations with variables on both sides
With the distributive property,
in 3.5 minutes.